Okay, I'm back, and I started to. I wrote up what we did for math today, and I want to add some colors. So I'm going to add some in my CSS, some Atom dark colors, because that's the syntax theme I'm going to take from. So I've got my text editor Atom open, so checking out the theme, and here's the HTML in that Atom dark theme. And let's take our snipping tool, and let's open that. Make a new snip. That's good. And we'll call it, on the desktop, we'll just call it Atom-Dark. Okay, we'll close that. Bring up my browser. And I'm going to search hex colors from image. And let's just try this one. Okay. So we're going to upload the image. And so we've got Atom Dark. Okay. So we got this Atom Dark Purple is this. So let's go back to here. So we got dot atom, we're going to call it dot atom / dark / purple. And we'll give it a color, and we'll paste in this color. Put a semicolon after that. Got that one down. All right, let's take a look at our next color. It's going to be the green. The green. It's going to be that. Okay, so we'll type in dot atom dark green. And we'll do that color. And put a semicolon. So we got that one down. Okay, and let's see what next color. I gotta do the blue. We got that color. So Atom Dark Blue. And we'll do this color. Paste that one in. And let's do the Atom Dark background. And this one, we're going to pass that color in as a background color. And we're going to then take the white here, which is kind of like this. It's not really a white, but we're going to pass that in as the regular color. Okay. All right. And so now we've got that. I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to give this body a class of Atom Dark background. And let's just see if that changes much noticeably, or makes much of a noticeable change. So we go to first week. That's a little darker. Okay, so that is a little darker there. Okay, with a little bit of brownish color to it. I don't know that we got it quite right. So let's make sure that we got that white color quite right. Yeah, this might be a little bit better. So let's change that in our style sheet. You know, these aren't going to be exact. It's approximations, and probably shouldn't do an exact one anyways. Okay, so that looks more atomy. Okay, so now I'm going to do something cool, and I think I've got Atom Dark Purple and Green. Those are kind of cool colors. So let's just close out the regular index just so we don't get confused here. And all right, so let's go into some of the math here. And we'll give this a class of, actually I'm going to do Atom Dark Blue. Let's see that my blue is right. I'll refresh, and that blue is it's a little darker than that blue. That's not quite the same blue. So maybe our blue is off. Yeah, that's a better one. Okay. Again, I'm doing some approximations here. So the Atom Dark Blue, we're going to change it. Okay, with that. And then go up here. Okay, so that's definitely more of an atomy blue. Okay, and so we'll give this, and then we'll do the superscript as a green. Let's try that. So let's go back here. Give this a class of an atom dark blue, and then the superscript. We'll give a class of an atom dark green. Okay, and let's see what the page looks like now. And actually, I don't want to do that. I want to give that one, because it's not really like an exponent. I just want to keep it blue. This next one, I still want to, all these problems I think I'm going to do class of atom dark blue for that, and then do that. We'll do it for all of them. I should just copy and paste this instead of type it out, but I'm going to type it out. I don't know why. Oops. So I can make mistakes like that. Okay, and then we'll get to honors. So actually, I should be pasting this all in, so I'm going to do that in a moment. This is just something fun you can do, make your website look a little cooler. It's a little extra work, but just copy and paste it in. I want to do it in this one too, but this one has a superscript here where I'm going to make it the class equal to atom dark purple. I think I have a dark purple, hopefully, and control save that. Yeah, that's kind of cool. And maybe make the font size on that one a little bit larger. Let's define a font size. Do we have any font sizes? Containers. Then we have colors. Let's do some font sizes here. Font sizes. And we'll do a class called Zoom 20. And Zoom 20 will be a 20% larger font, so I'm going to do 1.2 units. Okay. And then, so I want to zoom 20 in here. Zoom 20. Okay. Passing that class in there. And it gets a little bit bigger. It did get a little bit bigger, but it's not enough. So I'm going to change the Zoom 20. I'm also going to make a different one. I'm going to make a Zoom 100. So make it double. And we'll do font size 2. Okay, and then I'm going to do a Zoom 100. Okay. And I'm going to Zoom 100, and that made it quite big. Okay, and then we'll go back and we'll pass in some font classes here. So pass in the atom dark blue into all of these. And now, if I like this, I could just make the unordered list item that color. But I may want to change it, mix it up, make it fun and cool. And also, I'll pass. While we have the superscript here, I'm going to pass the Zoom 100 in there. And actually, let's do a Zoom 50, because almost a Zoom 100 is almost overpowering. So we'll do a Zoom 50, so 50% larger, and we'll do the font size of 1.5, which would be 50% larger. Okay, and then I'm going to pass the zoom 50 into this first one. Okay, and yeah, so I'm going to make that first one a little bit larger, not overpoweringly large. And then I also want to pick the Atom Dark Purple. I want to put it in here. So I'm going to go to class of Atom Dark Purple. Okay. Wrong one. So I want to get that one. Wrong superscript. So I'm going to Control X, and then I want to put it into this one. There we go. That should solve the problem. Okay, there we go. We've got the exponent up like that. Let's see if this works. Yep. Okay, so that goes back. Now we want to fix the index page. So I'm going to view the folder as a workspace and open the index page here. And then I'm going to take that away for a moment. Just make some room on my screen. And okay, so now what I want to do is I want to have a div with a class of container 1000. Okay. I'm going to have to create that in my container classes. So I'm going to go to a container of 1000, and I'm going to do a max width of 1000 pixels, a margin left of auto, a margin right of auto. Okay, so that's going to center it. And my plan, this is going to be pretty cool, is I'm going to put a horizontal rule here, and in between those, we're going to have the links, and I'll have spaces between them. But so I'll do the link to the page. So it's, let me open the folder as a workspace. Let me view that again. Folder as a workspace. So we called it first week. So I'm going to go into the first week folder, and then that's all I have to do, I believe. And let's give it a class of, what have we not used? Take a look. Okay, we haven't used Atom Dark Green. So let's use Atom Dark Green. And we'll just say first week, spell first right, first day assignment. And the date is the 10th. Okay. And we'll just say, how about we say recap of, really it's the second day assignment, because the first day second day assignment. Control save. Let's move that out. Let's move the folder as a workspace out of here. And then let's go up here. We'll click to go to the home page. Okay, one thing we want to take out is that other line below there. So I don't need this line now. That looks too much. And then we'll do a space and this slash here. And then I'll say third day assignment. Coming soon. Just kind of see what it looks like. Oh no, I don't want that. Sorry. I want this within a paragraph. Okay, so that should work. Okay, so that's kind of cool. And actually, you know what? It puts too much wording. I just want to make it look sleek. So I'm just going to say 9, 10, 20, recap. And then let's do, I like purple. I don't like the green as much with that background. Let's do that one. That's not good either. Let me do the Atom Dark Blue. Okay, and then you could just do do something in the style with the color. So do Atom Dark Blue links. We'll just do text decoration none. Okay. That's not going to work. Maybe, hold on, let me see if I do it another way. A.Atom. This may work. Yeah, there we go. Okay, and then maybe on hover. So when we hover over it, we'll give it a color of the purple color. So let's F1 61C8. Yeah, that's kind of cool. So that's something we can do, kind of make the website look kind of cool, and let's make sure it works, and it does not work. So that's always something you want to do. So let's make sure we fix that. Maybe I need a slash here. Let's try and refresh. File not found. It should be relative to the folder. Let me see. Let me view the container as a workspace. It should be, maybe what I need to do is just pass in the index. Try that. So I'm messing up here. Okay, that's what I needed to do. All right, so I pass it in the index, and then I can go back to the home page. Both of those work. Nice and good. And actually, I kind of like just the atomy colors. So I may take this, take my style sheet, and I may do the maybe we'll just give the body here a class of this body here a class of Atom for right now. Atom dark background. Okay, and let's take a look. Go back to here. Okay, so they're looking kind of consistent between the pages and the backgrounds. And let's see, when we go to mobile, it still looks okay. This page still looks okay for mobile. So I think we're good for putting that page up. So I can put that page up and share it with my class. Thank you for watching this video vlog, and have a nice evening.